about fashion hacks. Namaste beautiful people, I'm Saloni and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be about fashion hacks. So it's about how you can convert your old clothes into a very new and stylish look. And I'm sure you're going to love all these easy hacks. So yeah, let's get started. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and comment below and let us know which outfit was your favorite. And if you're new to this channel and haven't already, remember to press that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, because this year I am dedicated to create daily videos to keep you all inspired and to make 2022 your best year ever. So we create daily videos about fashion, styling and Saloni show. So we talk about motivation and a lot of things. So please don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified every day, and let us all learn and grow together. And I'll see you in the next video with something really amazing. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And I'm sending you lots and lots of love and a virtual hug.